Welcome to How to Assemble a Probate Matter using the Texas Probate System online. The Texas Probate System online provides letters, forms, worksheets, a significant date list, and a check plan, all designed to guide you from beginning to end. Before you begin, we invite you to read How to Use This System and to view the Texas Probate System online Welcome Tour video. Now that you're a bit familiar with how to use the system, start with the Probate Pathfinder. Answer the questions that follow. We'll use a fictional case as an example. Is there a will that has been probated in another state or foreign country? In our example case, there is not. Is there an urgent and immediate need for a personal representative of the estate? Select No. Is there a will? Select No. Will there be an intestate administration by agreement? In our case, all the heirs of the estate have agreed to do an independent administration. This leads us to the special instruction, Independent Administration by Agreement, where there is no will, or IBA. Select the link. To find further materials that may be relevant in this matter, in All Content, scroll down to IBA and select. The search has narrowed the results. You will see 62 forms, 11 furnished forms, 66 letters, etc. that may be relevant. Next, go to Check Plan and Issue Spotter. To use a PDF of this document, select the PDF icon. The check plan provides a list where lawyers and staff can initial an item that has been completed. It can be printed for your use. Texas Probate System Online also has a spreadsheet that can be useful for the recording of this information. Now to the Master Information List, or MIL. It can be opened as a PDF as well. Select the MIL cover sheet. Here, the boxes can be checked upon completion of the task, and those that don't apply can be crossed out. The decedent worksheet, used for every probate matter, is where the information about the decedent is entered. Each item is numbered to coordinate with the master information list and will indicate which forms and letters to complete. Information about the docket number, the decedent's name to be used, and all additional information pertaining to the court proceedings is recorded in Court Proceedings. For example, anything that starts with a 6 will correspond to the letters and forms that begin with a 6. In our example of a probate matter, the probate proceeding has occurred, an independent administrator has been named, and a newspaper notice to creditors is the next step. The numbers refer back to the master information list. Select the Word icon to open the document. Modify the form for your use. The first item, 6.02, again, corresponds to that information in the MIL, the decedent's name to be used in probate proceeding. The next number, 6.39, refers to the date of qualification in the MIL, and so on. Letters will work similarly to forms. The Probate Workbook is an Excel document. We invite you to watch the Probate Workbook quick tutorial. Select the Excel icon to download the Probate Workbook. The Probate Workbook has worksheets, a master information list, check plan, and a significant date list. Only the items relevant to the probate matter at hand need to be addressed. The blue shaded boxes calculate dates. For example, when the date of death is entered, the significant date list will automatically calculate a date 4 years later, which is the last date that the will can be probated in normal circumstances. The items relevant to the probate matter at hand are the only ones that need to be addressed in the worksheet. On the cover sheet of the MIL, when the number to the right of the field is selected, that part of the MIL will open for information to be entered. When this is complete, return to the home page. With help from the Texas Probate System online, all the documents are complete and you can move forward with your probate matter. Thanks for watching.